I'm going to show you a little trick to make it easier for you to copy your tags or keywords in other videos. For instance, in this channel here, it's all about my hair journey, and the keywords are similar oftentimes from one video to another. Since YouTube has updated their templates in March of 2012, they've done a lot of changes to the template, and I'd say around November of 2012, they started changing how the tags appeared. Before, they were really just like text, just like you see here in the description box and in the title. So it was really easy to copy and paste content to other videos. In November, they started creating these cool little graphical tags. The only problem is it's just a lot harder. As you can see here, I'm trying to scroll over. It's really harder to actually copy. So at first what I was doing is I was double clicking on each one of them, and that was changing them to text, but it was really long. And then I discovered that you can actually simply put your mouse inside the box, and so you highlight all. So in my case, it's Command A, or for the PC, it's Control A. So you highlight them all and you copy them all. So for me, it's Command C. And then you just basically go to another video and you paste. And there you have it. And I'm just going to save here. And I'm going to do it again just to show you this video right here. And I am saving. So this is absolutely fantastic, and it's a huge time saver if your keywords are more or less the same from one video to another, depending on the niche that you have and that you're working with, and that's pertinent to your channel.